to Goa 365's English News Bulletin. I am Susan Gomes and these are the headlines. Monday saw a series of resignations, including Michael Lobo, Praveen Zante, more likely to follow. Kumkolam youth raised their voice against filling of water transportation by tankers at Taka Band. Give equal status to Romi Lipi as Devnagari. Various associations affiliated to Romi Lipi demand. 1,592 test positive in Goa. Positivity crosses 25%. India seeing hospitalization rate of 5 to 10% in this wave versus 20 to 30% range in the second wave. And now for the news in detail. Monday witnessed a series of resignations soon after election dates were declared. BJP saw two back-to-back resignations, with first BJP Minister Michael Lobo resigning, followed by Mayam BJP MLA Praveen Zante. Looks as if more political drama is to follow as both the Chief Minister and State Unit President react to the resignations.
After a lot of suspense, Michael put in his papers at the Speaker's office. Michael is the first minister and third BJP MLA to resign. Sources indicated that he would join the Congress today itself. However, this did not happen amid speculation that the Congress High Command wanted his wife Delilah, who is the Sarpanch of Para, to join first.
As per the Election Commission of India, the filing of nominations starts from 20th. We have to be ready well in advance. So 10 days we require to go back to our people and campaign that we are going to contest. So this is why we have resigned. Party joined opposite kind final jam.
लोकांकडे उलयल्लेले बीन सर
लोकांकडे उलोवप चलता कोण म्हणटा इंडिपेंडेंट बस कोण म्हणटा काँग्रेसीक बस.
So a lot of Congress people are unhappy with your decision of leaving. What do you like to say? Who? Congress.
Congress people want me in BJP.
They don't.
Congress people will always want me in BJP. No, it is not yet decided.
So what do you like to say?
Let my people decide. See, it is all my close supporters, my well-wishers, our karyakartas, who are like my brothers and sisters, who walk with me. Every step I take, they are with me. They will decide for me. No, today's decision is about resigning as a minister and MLA, and now I will resign as BJP member, primary membership. It's all about the coming election. And जे association आमचे आसले भारतीय जनता पार्टी वांगडा ते लॉन्ग आसले 15 years जाले आमकां. सो दुख लगता है एक वाटेन. बीजेपी पार्टी को हमारे जैसा कार्यकर्ता नहीं चाहिए, तो उधर दब के बैठना अच्छा नहीं है. दब के नहीं बैठना चाहिए कोई. अगर नहीं चाहिए तो you yourself have to. They should not throw you out finally. So it is the best way is you exit in a nice way. I am one of them. So I was made to understand that तुका हिंगा स्वात नाम आमकां exit करचें पडटा. हांव एक कार्यकर्तो 15 वर्सांचो. आमकां स्वात नाम वयता.
After Michael, it was BJP MLA from Maye, Praveen Zante, who put in his papers. Praveen says he would join the MGP. However, his move has probably been hastened after the BJP inducted Pemendra Sheth, brother of former Maye MLA Anant Sheth. Sources said Praveen is likely to join MGP.
मनोहरभाईच्या विश्वासाच्या पार्टी भितर सरिल्लो तो पयली सारकी पार्टी म्हाका उरूना. म्हणटकीर म्हाका दिसलें की जर फुडें कितें डेव्हलपमेंट जर करपा जाय जाल्यार हांवें एक स्टेप घेवपा जाय जे करून फुडें मये मतदारसंघाचो कितें डेव्हलपमेंट करूं शकता. हांव आतां MG पार्टी जॉइन जातलो कारण म्हाका दिसता की फुडलो डेव्हलपमेंट करूं शकतली ती पार्टी.
केन्ना जॉइन जाता?
हांव चड करून ह्या दिसा फाल्यां नाल्यार परब जॉइन जाता.
The BJP state president spoke on these recent developments. He said that Michael's resignation was expected and clarified why action was not taken against him following anti-party activities. BJP will win in both Kalangut and Shioli, he said.
हांव पळयतना मायकल लोबोचें रिजिग्नेशन जें आसा तें आमी एक्सपेक्ट करतालेच. फक्त केन्ना येतलें तें कशें आसा की गेले वर्सभर मायकल लोबो तसो फिजिकली पार्टी भितर दिसतालो पण तो मना बसून पार्टी भितर नासलोच. कारण त्याच्या ज्या वेळार त्याने ठरयलें की आपल्या बायलेक तिकीट दिवपाक जाय तेन्ना पासून त्याने भारतीय जनता पार्टी कडेन नातें तोडोवपाचें त्याने ठरयल्लें. तो वाट पळयतालो की आमी दितात काय ना. त्यामुळे त्याने आज रिजिग्नेशन इमिजिएटली. कारण मायकल लोबो गेलो म्हणून भारतीय जनता पार्टीक कांय फरक पडचो ना. आणि त्यांनी जे आज स्टेटमेंट केलं की तरी भारतीय जनता पार्टी उरूना. त्यामुळे पार्टी कितें हें मायकलान आमकां सांगपाची गरज ना. ती मायकल लोबो ऑलरेडीच गेले वर्षभर भारतीय जनता पार्टी भितर केवळ फिजिकली दिसतालो पण मेंटली तो आमचे बरोबर नासलो. आणि त्यामुळे त्याने जर सांगता ताका इतली जर समाजसेवा करपाची जर असली जाल्यार त्याने एखाद्या कार्यकर्त्याक फुडें काडून जर सांगितले की ताका तिकीट दिया ही वेगळी गोष्ट जाली. तो मागतालो फायनल तिकीट आपल्याच बायलेक लागून आपल्या घरचेच तिकीट. आणि त्यामुळे ताका आमकां व्हडलें तशें हादरो वगैरे असल्या तरेचे कांय फरक पडना. आणि कारण तेचे एजंडा एकूच आशिल्लो ताका तिकीट जाय आसली न्ही बायलेक. त्यामुळे ती भारतीय जनता पार्टी दिवंक शकना. आमचे कार्यकर्ते गेले कितले दीस तो ज्या तरेन थंय एंटी पार्टी एक्टिविटी करतालो म्हणजे पार्टीच्या आमदार मंत्री आसून सुद्दां तो ज्या तरेन थंय एक्टिविटी करतालो आमकांय बरेच जर कार्यकर्ते तुमी कांयच उलयनात. पण आमी उलयनासले कारण कितें आमी एखादो कार्यकर्तो जर आमचो आसा ताका सांबाळपाचें आमी सदतीत काम करतात. पूर्णपणे सांबाळपाचो. आमी ताका बऱ्याचदा सांगपाचो प्रयत्न केलो. पण ज्या वेळाचेर त्याने जर एजेंडा जर त्याचो आसत जाल्यार त्या एजेंडा फाटल्यान तूं कांय करपाक शकना. आनी ताका जर इतलें जर तो आज जर उलयता आसत जाल्यार ताणें म्हाका दिसता 6 म्हयन्या पयलीं मंत्रीपदूय सोडूंक जाय आसलें. इतलें जर सांगता तो आज जाल्यार मंत्रीपद सोडून तेन्नाच राजिनामा दिवन गेला आमकां कांय फरक पडनासलो. बार्देस तालुक्याचो ठेको त्याच्या हातीन दिवना. त्यामुळे त्यांनी कळंगूट मतदारसंघाच्या संदर्भात उलोवचें. थंय सुद्दां भारतीय जनता पार्टी स्वताच्या ताकदीचेर ते निवडून येतली इतलें हांव सांगता.
The Chief Minister took to Twitter and reacted to the resignations. A few defections for greed and personal interest will not affect the prospects of BJP in the forthcoming elections. Bharatiya Janata Party is a big family that continues to serve the motherland with full devotion, he wrote in his tweet. Sources in the know say that more resignations from the BJP are to follow. The MLAs from Salsett who defected from Congress and joined BJP are all set to resign and contest as independents or on a new party platform. However, more people too are likely to join BJP in the coming days. Independent MLA from Priol, Govind Gowde, who is a part of the present BJP government, is likely to resign and stand on BJP ticket for the upcoming elections. Amar Chhawaria, Irshad Sheikh and William Rodrigues for Goa 365 from Porvorim and Panaji.
Kumkolam youth raised their voice against filling of water and its transportation by tankers at Takaban, calling it illegal. They have demanded that the collectors stop this.
The illegal act of transporting water from Takban Gunkolim is going on for the last 6 years. Water is filled in tankers and delivered to various ice plants in the industrial estate. The youth allege that the water is taken from the river. It could possibly pose a serious risk to people's health. Earlier complaints were made to various departments to no avail. So finally a complaint was made to the collector.
एप्लिकेशन दिलो हा कलेक्टरा पुलिसां आनी सगळ्यांक दिलो हा. हिंग कुंकोळी इंडस्ट्री स्टेटान वॉटर सप्लाय जाता न्हंयचें तें जायत फॅक्टरीनी वयता. कितले फॅक्टरीनी वयता ते उदका फॅक्टरीनी वयता, आयस प्लांट वयता, सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक फॅक्टरीनी वयता. ते मातशें हे आनी तुमी चोयाय.
कोणा कंप्लेन केली तुम्ही?
पुलिसां, कलेक्टरा, पुलीस, हेल्थ आनी WRD
आणि किती टँकर मला असतं?
टँकर ते चुपाचे थिंगा हिंग एक फुडें आमकां एक 2 दीस पळय ते न्हंयचे बनवताय. ते 2 टँकर थिंगा न्हंयचे बनवताय.
कंटिन्युअस होताय
ते कंटिन्यूस होताय. ते हें चलता, पॅन्डेमीक चलता. पॅन्डेमिका लागून हे न्हंयच्यो दोन लोकांक पिवयताय, आयस लोक खाता आनी कितें जाता ते मातशें चुकान एक्शन घेवपा न्हू तेजेर.
कितू तेमसान चालू आहे
हें आतां कितें जालां, आतां कॅनला उदक बंद जालें जाल्यार ते न्हंयचे येताय. नाजाल्यार ते न्हंयच्यान ते पोतायचे खबर ना. हे न्हंयचे आतां येतात तुमणे म्हण 3 म्हयने जावपा जाले येताय ते न्हंयचे. एक पास कॅनला उदक स्टार्ट जालें म्हणटा ते येनाय थिंग न्हंय थोडे. हे वर्सां येताय, 5-6 वर्सां जालीं.
कुंकोळे आज यूथ कलेक्टरान एक कॉपी कंप्लेन दिला की म्हणून आमगे इलिगल वॉटर सप्लाय जाता कुंकोळे आनी हें सगळें वॉटर आयस प्लांटां वयता, मागीर वॉटर हितून वयता, कितें म्हणटा तें बॉटल आयस्क्रीम फॅक्टरी वयता. आनी अशें करून आमगे
कुंकोली इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेटी
इंडस्ट्रियल स्टेटी हें आतां सगळें हेल्थान सगळें आमी पयलीं कंप्लेन पावयलोली म्हळ्यार तरी पसून कोणें कांय एक्शन घेवं ना. आतां हें सगळे पाटी हेंच कोताय कॅनला उदक सोट्री बंद जाता आनी मागीर परतून कमेस कोताय. हें आमी आतां हेल्थाक मागताय केशे भाशेन आनी सगळें पॉलिटिशियन बिजनेशन सगळें करप्शन चालू आहा कुंकोळ्या आनी जायत कितें चलता इलिगल कुंकोळ्यांक तें आतां आमकां आख्खो यूथ मेळ्ळो आहाय सगळे भुरगे आनी आमकां जाता ते बेगीन आमगे मुखार फ्युचर जेनरेशन सगळें बरें करून करपा जाय.
Ramesh Naik, Raj for Goa 365 from Konkolim.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Give the same status to Romi Lipi like Devanagari. Various associations affiliated to Romi Lipi demanded a press interaction today. 15 associations who are working for upliftment of Romi came together on one platform to press for their demand.
Theatrist Tomazino Cardozo said that they have submitted a memorandum to the ruling BJP as well as other politicians. Give Romi equal status to Devanagari by amending 1986 Official Language Act and include this promise in political manifesto, he demanded.
रोमी लिपी कोंकणी वयर काडचे खातीर सुदारप करचे खातीर गोंयांत जायत्यो संस्था आसा. तातूंतल्यो 15 संस्था हांगासर एकठांय जाल्यात आनी एकठांय जावन हांचे कारण इतलेंच की रोमी लिपींतली कोंकणी हिका फावो तो दर्जो इक्वल स्टेटस विथ देवनागरी स्क्रिप्ट कोंकणी दिवंक जाय म्हणून ही आमची चळवळ आसा. आमी गोंयांतल्या सगळ्या पॉलिटिकल पार्टींक मेळ्ळ्यात. जशे परी सदानंद शेट दणावडे जो बीजेपीचो प्रेसिडेंट जावन आसा, विजय सरदेसाय गोवा फॉरवर्ड पार्टीचो प्रेसिडेंट जावन आसा, लुइजीन फालेरो वायस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ तृणमूल काँग्रेस, गिरीश चोडणकर प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडियन नॅशनल काँग्रेस, सुधीर धावडीकर लीडर ऑफ महाराष्ट्र गोमंतक पार्टी, Theoton da Costa, South Goa leader of Revolutionary Goans, Valmiki Naik leader of Aam Aadmi Party आणि चर्चिल आलेमा इतल्याय पार्टीन आणि ह्या MLAक आमी मेळ्ळ्या आनी आमचो मेमोरंडम ताका सबमीट केला. ना मेमोरंडम कितें गरज आसा म्हणून की आमचो ऑफिशियल लँग्वेज एक्ट आसा 1986 तातूंत एमेंडमेंट करपाक जाय आनी त्या एमेंडमेंटान along with Devanagari Roman script तिका equal status दिवपाक जाय.
Though the Goa was liberated, efforts were made to merge Goa into Maharashtra. The opinion poll began and Romi Lipi supporters played a pivotal role to preserve its independent identity, Tomazino said, explaining how Romi was sidelined during this period.
जेन्ना राजभाशेच्या वेळार जायत्यो मिटिंगो जाताल्यो ल्हान व्हड मिटिंगो तेन्ना खंयसरूच आमचे फुडारी म्हणून आसले की कोंकणी देवनागरीन जातली वो कोंकणी रोमी लिपीन जातली. आमी फकत कोंकणीक झगडटाले आनी त्या खातीर निमण्या वखदार जेन्ना आमकां जैत मेळ्ळें त्या वेळार देवनागरीचे जे फुडारी आसले, देवनागरी कोंकणीचे जे फुडारी आसले तांणी आमचो विश्वासघात केलो. दे बिट्रेड अस आनी थंयसर एक डेफिनिशन घातलें language act. Definition says Konkani means Konkani in Devanagari script. Now what is the demand? Demand is the definition which is there in Official Language Act which says Konkani means Konkani in Devanagari script. या definition amend कर सांगा आणि amend करून ते अशें जावपाक जाय Konkani means Konkani written in Devanagari and Roman script.
William Rodriguez for Goa 365 from Panaji.
Suspend SGPDA member secretary for indulging in corruption in the Sopo collection of fish market. Investigation should be carried out in this matter, Wholesale Fish Market Traders Association demanded. SGPDA has given the job to collect Sopo to old contractor instead of appointing a new contractor. This is contempt of court, the association alleged.
The controversy over the Sopo collection in the Margaon wholesale fish market is just refusing to die down. We had proposed a tender with an increased amount of 2 lakhs, but this was rejected. We will demand an inquiry, Chief Secretary and Election Commission Association President Ibrahim Mullah said.
आमकां वराक तुमी 500 रुपया चार्ज करून हे पयशे सपोज आतां आमी अंडर प्रोटेस्ट फारीक करीत आसा कित्याक आमची मॅटर हायकोर्टान आसा की रिड्यूस करपाक फी रिड्यूस करपाक आमचो मॅटर हायकोर्टान आसा पूण हे कशें चल्लां हेका कोणूच लागना हायकोर्टान कितें ऑर्डर काडला ते प्रमाणान कित्याक वचना पीडीए कडेन जेई एई सगळे आसा तांकां फकत ड्रायव्हरूच ऑफिसर दिसता थंय ताणें क्लियरली हायकोर्टान बरयला पीडीएचे ऑफिसरान थंय वचून कलेक्शन करपा जाय म्हण पूण आमी आयज हे सांगपाक सोदता तुमकां की आमी ऑलरेडी विजिलन्साक बरयतले इलेक्शन कमिशन ऑफ इंडिया ताकाय बरयतले आनी चीफ सेक्रेटरीक बरयतले जे कितें चल्ला पळय हांगा पयशांचो कितें धुंवर चल्ला पळय ते चोरी चल्ला हे हॅरेसमेंट करून जे कलेक्शन करतात हेजेर कितें तरी तेणें चीफ सेक्रेटरी जावन दी इलेक्शन कमिशन ऑफ इंडिया जावन दी नाजाल्यार विजिलन्स डिपार्टमेंटाक घालता इतले दिसाचे पयशे खंय गेले हेजेर सगळे आमी करपा आसा वन बाय वन आनी इमिडिएटली सस्पेन्शन ऑफ दीस मेंबर सेक्रेटरी कांयच चिंतना कांयच पळयना आमी इमिडिएटली तेजे मेंबर सेक्रेटरी तुमी सस्पेंड करपा जाय म्हण आमी मागतात.
The court has given 3 months' time to the SGPDA to float a new tender. However, the same person comes to collect the SOPO along with the SGPDA driver and peon, angered association members said, demanding to know what the actual SOPO collection was and how much was deposited in the treasury.
5 तारीखेक पीडीएन एकला कोणाक तरी अपॉइंट केलो लकी मुट्टेका आनी ताजो चलो आनी ते मार्केटां आयले ते म्हणपाक लागले आमकां अशें कलेक्शन करपाक हें दिलां हांवें मागीर मेंबर सेक्रेटरी फोन केलो हांवें म्हणलें तो दिलो आसा बरें हांव म्हणलें आमी ताका ते दीस फ्रायडे 6 तारीख फ्रायडे ते दीस कलेक्शन करपाक आमी ताका दिलो आमी सगळे पयशे आमचे दिले गाडयेचे वराचे प्रमाणान पयशे आमी दिले हांवें त्या भुरग्याक विचारिल्लें बाबा तुवें कितले कलेक्शन केलां कितें केलां पयशांचे तो म्हाका म्हणपालो आपूण 1,15,000 कलेक्शन केलां एकूच दिसाचे 1,15,000 तेणें ते भुरग्यान थोडे ते किरकोळ आनी कोळे गोंयकारा कडेन बी तेणें पयशे बी घेवना तो मातशें हंबल आशिल्लो तो कोण तो लकी बुट्टो कोण तो आशिल्लो तो मातशें हंबल आशिल्लो ते हंबल आसून देखून 1,15,000 कलेक्शन जाला नाजाल्यार तुमी चिंता कितले कलेक्शन जावपाक शकता थंय हे पयशे गेले खंय.
Sandeep Twankar for Goa 365 from Margao.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Goa saw a positivity rate of 27 plus. Positive cases of 1,592 today. Even as India is seeing a hospitalization rate of 5 to 10% in the third COVID wave, the Union government said this today. In the second wave, official data shows that the hospitalization rate was in the range of 20 to 30%. However, medical sources warn that this may change in the near future.
A massive surge of 1.79 lakh fresh cases was recorded this morning with the daily positivity rate to be 13.29%. Around 10 days ago, the country was registering an average of 10,000 to 15,000 cases daily. According to the Health Ministry, this rise was attributed to variant Omicron as well as the continued presence of variant Delta in parts of the country. The administration of the COVID-19 precautionary dose to the eligible population in Goa and the rest of the country started today, January 10. The booster dose will be given to healthcare and frontline workers and those over 60 years of age with comorbidities. On December 25th, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi had announced the administration of precautionary doses for healthcare and frontline workers from January 10, 2022. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
Now for the weather. Light haze and fog prevailed over isolated areas this morning as per predictions. The state can expect another 5 days of mist and fog at isolated areas starting on January 10th. Even while IMD issued a rainfall warning for 16 states and union territories in the country, Goa will continue to enjoy cool and dry weather. Maximum and minimum temperatures are likely to hover around 31 degrees centigrade and 21 degrees centigrade respectively.
There are no weather or fishermen warnings for the state for the next 5 days, says IMD. Minimum temperatures are also not expected to change for another 2 to 3 days. There will be partial clouding in the sky towards the late evening today as well as tomorrow. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
With that, we've come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log on to our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook Goa 365 TV, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Goa 365 TV, or download our app, which is available on both Android and iOS, to watch all the latest news and updates on your mobile. Take care, stay safe, and keep watching Goa 365.